weekly market update for the week of April 27, 2020. At, you know that if you follow me on the YouTube every day, every week, so anytime I look at the chart, whatever the chart tell me, I will tell you exactly what it look like. Even though the news out there is very bad, a lot of people still die, a lot of people still infected, and a lot of short sellers are still waiting because they believe that the market will come down here. They may be, but it's not now. So right now, if the chart tell us it's still in the upside, we will stick with the upside. So if you look at the chart in front of you right now, that's the SPY, that's the Spider SP 500 component. You can see that at when March 23rd, the market bottom out, they continue to make it high low, and right now they continue to go up. So at this moment, you look at the price chart, it's still above. They're able to get up and stay above the 50-day moving average, and then next week it's the only couple more days before we ending for the April. So people used to say that sell in May and go away. Let's see this year it will happen or not. It may be. So right now, in the next couple more days, we see that the market will hit the major resistance somewhere 29 300 area here, and if they be able to punch through it, or they will give up, we will see. So right now, we will stick with day by day as long as they still climbing back up, and we will stick with the upside. That's why it's very important for you to understand how to read the chart. Because if you know how to read the chart, how to understand the market move, you'll be able to tell, okay, when the market is going down, when the market going up. Because if you have been upside for a long time, when the market break this level, they break this level, they already give you the hint that the market is already coming down, and then you should get out long time. You don't have to wait until the market hit down here, and then you get panicking. Now you see your 401k become a 201k, and then now the market go up, and a lot of people, they try to, after the market is run up, and then a lot of people short the market, they try to recover, and then a lot of formal people fear they are behind, they jump in, they buy more, and then they will put the market upside. And a lot of people, they get out here, now they try to jump in, and then that's where the trouble coming in. And now they jump in, now become a 201k, and they put it back down, they become 101k. So that's why you have to understand how to read the chart so that you be able to manage your money. Because there's no second buy and sell. You are not Warren Buffett. So that's why you have to get in and swing trade the market. That's why in Stock Navigator we focus on the swing trade so that we can in and out whatever the market tells us. We just stick with it, and then we can ride the market up and down and make more money. And then not just the swing trade, we also show you how to do day trade so that you can earn some extra income every day to add on to whatever you are doing. So this week, a lot of sector very strong, like oil sector, biotech sector, computer sector, and food delivery is still doing very well. And let me show you a couple of stocks that you can see. So right now, let's get to the wing. Okay, wing it because people stay home, look like they don't cook, they just order the food. That's why swing go up like crazy here, as you can see on the chart. And you can see it. Domino Pizza, they are doing very well too. Okay, Domino Pizza and Parmesan, uh, she's still doing very good too. You see that a lot of food delivery, and even the one that delivery the food is still doing well also. You can see that Uber Eat they still doing very well. So for the oil stock, a couple of strong oil stock, even though a lot of small oil company they start filing bankruptcy right now, so that benefit a big guy like Chevron, ExxonMobil, those guys, they will gain more momentum because the small guy is dying now. So uh, and on the computer sector, a lot of stock it doing very well too. Okay, data, and then on the biotech, a couple of stock it very outperform right now. Okay, so this is what we have for you this week, and then I hope that you enjoy it. If you like what we're doing here for you every week, please click the subscribe button below and give me a thumb up so that every week and every day I will update for you to see where the market is heading to. And if you want to learn more how to understand the financial market, how to make extra income uh, so that you can add up to whatever you have right now, this is a good time for you to learn because you stay home, and then this is the best time for you to study and understand the market. So if you want to learn more, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com and for more information. Again, thank you, and I hope everybody stay home and get healthy. And then we see you on the next video. Thank you.